Friends, welcome back to Think YouTube, and in this video I'm gonna give you a walkthrough how I go about doing my research to find videos to make. As I've mentioned before in previous videos that I like to collect channels and I create a folder, bookmark folder here on my bookmark dashboard here, and it's called competitors. So I've named this competitors and it has quite a lot of channels that I'm following and they give me ideas of the type of videos to make. So there are times I just randomly open up a channel and I would just check to see what kind of videos they're making. So if I will go to, let's say, Crown Geek, I can click on this channel and I can see the type of videos they're making, and if I see something that I like, I can watch it, learn how to do it, and then go back and make my own version of that video and to share it as a tutorial on my channel. Another way how I do it is by simply go ahead and look up some options within vidIQ. And I think I might go the vidIQ route for the purpose of this video as well. So let me open up vidIQ here, and I open up the vidIQ tool. And let's say I want to do some keyword research. So on the left hand side, I will click on keyword, and let's use YouTube as an example. So I can either type it in. As you can see, it started to populate some things that I already searched for, but let's take YouTube as an example, and I'll just search for YouTube. Immediately it gives me the result, and as you can see, it shows me some questions, some matching keyword, and some related keyword. But I like to go the question route because as I'm in the tutorial space and I want to create evergreen videos, I always go to the questions to see some of the questions people are asking. So I click on question, and as you can see, it shows a lot of keywords here and they're mixed. So I like to switch the competition to low. So I press this and it basically starts to show me the low one. So I scroll down and look for some low one, and wow, have a look at this. How to reset YouTube recommendations. And you can see it's getting a lot of views, over 20k views within a month, and the competition is extremely low. That's a very good keyword to target right there. So I might use this keyword. So how to reset YouTube recommendations. And I'm going to make a video on this, right? I might have already, but I'm going to make another one and make it nice. So what you do, or what I will do now, is just open up the YouTube dashboard here, and I will just simple type in how to, as you can see, it started populate as ready, how to reset YouTube recommendation. So I will search for this video, find some videos in the niche which is getting a lot of views, and as you can see, this one here by the Gauging Gadgets, how to reset YouTube recommendation. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna watch this video, and I how to digital also make one, and you can see that the views are not bad, guys. So this two channel make videos about this, and I will go ahead and make a video of this. So my normal process is to go ahead and watch this video, and I will find the video and I will watch it. So I will skip, I will kind of mute the speaking for now, and I will go ahead and watch this particular video to see how they are doing the steps, guys. And once I go through the video to see how they're doing the steps, I will go ahead and I will make the video myself as well as showing people how to do it. So one, I'm learning. Two, they're getting views because I'm watching their videos, right? And three, I am gonna make this a tutorial for my channel, and yeah, I will get views too, right? So very as easy as that. And as you know, my process, I'm recording the videos, then I'm sending them over to my editor, and he will do the editing. And I would like to show you something too as well. As you know, I'm fully transparent with you guys. So I have my folder here. I have this one called screen record and my different channels here, which I'm currently working on learning AI. So on Drew tutorial, if I open this folder, I started and I already have some videos that I recorded. So I'm gonna record one more by showing how to reset the YouTube recommendation, and I'll have 4 videos and I'll just upload them to my editor, and you will see that as well. So what I'm gonna do, guys, because I need to record that video and I would like to record it separately, I will record that video afterwards, and once I record it, I will show you the video that I record and I will upload them to my editor, and you'll see part of my process, how it works. So for this video, guys, you're simply seeing how I do my research, and once I'm finished with that, I'm going to show you that video and you will be able to see how I upload that to my editor as well. So I'm going to break the video for now, and I will come back in a moment and show you the full recorded video that I've recorded. Alright guys, so I am after recording my videos. Apologies that I cannot show you how I record a video because I'm using the same tool to record. And I will just quickly show you with the type of tool that I'm using to record. As you can see, I'm using a Windows computer and I'm using snipping tool. Simple as that. So if you click Windows and type in snip, you'll find the snipping tool app here on Windows, and this is what I'm using to record my videos. Now, if you look at my YouTube here, guys, I'm at YouTube and you haven't seen anything there. It simply means that I've watched the video and I learned how to reset my YouTube recommendations there, and I've created the video for it. So I'm going to show you the video that I record. So if I open up my file explorer here, go to my recordings and go to my Drew tutorial here, you can see how to reset YouTube recommendations. I can open the video so you can see it's on my next screen. Welcome back to Drew tutorial, and here in today's video I'm going to show history, right? Click OK. Recommendation delete is reset, and I would just need to, and that's it. So the video is recorded. Now I'm going to walk you through how I did that as well, so that you know that I know how to do it, right? So how to reset that is by simply clicking the button on the upper right hand side of your profile and go to your data in YouTube, and if you scroll down you basically have your controls and you can click and manage your YouTube watch history, and from here you'll be able to see all those videos that you watch. And if you click the drop down here with delete, you'll be able to delete all time, beginning of month, set a custom date, or a simple delete individual videos. But deleting the videos all time will definitely reset the YouTube recommendations for you, and that's basically how you do it, right? So now that I've done that, guys, you see the video that I was watching before to learn how to do it, and there's an example which they were showing how to delete it. So you have the example where he was clicking delete all time, and yeah, that's basically it. Now back to my thing now. So how do I go about uploading the video after I record these videos? So I simply have these videos that I download, that I recorded. I'm going to move this to my second screen temporarily, and I'm going to open up my file. I'm going to open up my Google Drive. I'm going to find my folder here, which I created on my drive, and I'm going to continue to upload some videos. So these 4 videos that I have, that I've recorded, I'm going to simply grab these 4 videos and I'm going to simply drag them here into this folder here that I created for my guy, and just simply let it go, and it's going to get uploaded to the drive. And you can see I already have some other videos that I've recorded. He's gonna edit them for me, but as you can see here on the lower right hand side, I'm currently uploading these videos, and these videos are going to get uploaded to the drive. So once these videos are finished, guys, they're added to the drive, as you can see. And the last one is at the top, YouTube, how to reset YouTube recommendations, and so forth, so forth. You can see those videos. And yeah, I'm just gonna inform him via WhatsApp that I've uploaded some more videos, even though we have a ton of other videos, but you get the idea. He will just basically make these videos when he get to them. And once he will upload those videos, as you know, he will upload the videos to my channel. Let me go back to my channel here, and I'll be able to see those videos once he upload them here. And I will start my process of doing my title, my SEO, doing my thumbnails, and also I'll be doing scheduling those videos so that they can get published. And here I have a few videos published. These videos are gonna come out today. 1 2 3 4 videos. As you can see, I have 1 2 3 videos gonna come out today, and I have 2 for tomorrow. I might make a few more for today. But there you have it, guys. Let's see what my current analytics look like at the moment. Schedule, let's look at my analytics, and as you can see, yeah, views are still pretty much the same. Still 2,742 subscribers, and on the day of 16th of December, and yeah, still looking good, and analytics looking pretty nice, and yeah, channel is growing just as usual, right? But that's it, guys. That's how I go about researching topics. That's how I go about recording those videos, and how I upload them to my editor. And now I just have to wait for my editor to come back to me and upload those videos so that I can start the process again. And yeah, hopefully that video will get some, these videos will get some views, but yeah, we'll see over time. No, guys, I hope you'll find value within this video as well, and if you do, appreciate if you take a moment to give this video a like and to show some appreciation. And of course, if you're new to my channel and would like to learn my YouTube business model, to continue to watch me behind the scenes, how I'm doing my videos, to learn and to get value from this channel, subscribe to the channel, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you want to learn who am I behind the scenes, what this channel is about, and the value I'll be bringing to you on this channel, watch this video at the end of this video so that you can learn about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.